Hey you guys, it's Rachel here with Senza Cane Corso. Hello, sweet baby. So I've got the 3 Carrie females here, and I'm gonna be making my decision. I've pretty much already made my decision, but but I wanted to just kind of show you guys, and we could talk about it a little bit. So this is. So the one that just grabbed the toy, that is the girl that I'm going to keep.
What?
We call her Wasabi. The one that's shaking the toy, the brindle female, we call her Picasso.
The one that just came over doesn't have a name.
We did name her.
What did we name her?
We named her Zella. Zella.
Senza?
Yeah.
She named her like Valentine. I don't know. Valentine's Day's coming up. Valentine.
I named her Zella. So, so I'll tell you where my brain was at on this litter. This is out of Carrie. Used to call her Crazy Carrie because she had really high toy drive, like this girl right here. Hello, sweet baby. And Mad Mortigan. So where I'm at on it is that, hello, is that so Mad Mortigan, has a very specific kind of front assembly. And so I knew that, I wanted to make sure that I did not choose any puppy that had that same front assembly. It's something that is, it's a pretty dominant feature, especially if it's been bred in more than once. And so I wanted to make sure that I didn't keep anything off that had that. So structure was important. And second of all, I knew that I needed a good head type. And so, if at all possible. And there was genetics in there for heads because Carrie has a decent head and her father is a Dirium dog or off of a Dirium dog that had a really good head. So there is the potential for heads there. Mad Mortigan can also throw good heads. And so I wanted a good head. So the brindle female Picasso, she's the biggest, definitely the bulkiest. And then we have Wasabi, I would say, is next. She's in fact, Wasabi is actually the tallest. Hello, Picasso. So Wasabi is actually the tallest out of all of them anyway. And then we have Zella, who's pretty stout. None of them are small by any stretch of the imagination. Oh, here they go. So they've been playing with this toy right here. Oh, let's see. They didn't do it. Well, I'll leave it for now. So anyway, so as I predicted, very high toy drive in these puppies. Both mother and father have very high toy drive. They're both very good dogs, but they're very competitive dogs, and they have high toy drive. Hello. So this is Wasabi. And Zella. So Zella is actually a brindle dog. She looks black, but she's technically brindle. You can just barely see it.
Hello. Hi.
You can see Wasabi was just gating there. Yeah, so I really like her. I wasn't expecting really refined puppies right now, or refined structure right now. I do think that the structure is much better than I was expecting, but I don't know that any of them is going to be like a show dog or anything like that. I will say that recently raising Kubrick has really made me realize that I can only dedicate my time to one show dog a year. Kind of like what I did with Nirvana. It takes a lot of time. Is that Wasabi?
No, that's the other.
Oh yeah, no, Zella, yeah. So Zella is actually the most dominant. And the person who has second pick, I was kind of telling them about that. There she is. So she's very dominant. Hello, sweet baby. Hello, Wasabi. So yeah, Zella is very dominant. And Picasso is not. Picasso is just like super chill, super sweet. Big, just big, gentle giant. And then Wasabi is perfectly willing to go in with Zella. And
He's just trying to find a place to bite down.
and yeah. Yeah, and these are like the most drivey puppies that I think I've produced. I've had some pretty drivey pups because we've had some puppies play with this before, but not like this where they don't stop and they're really intense about it. But it's a good thing. It's what we're trying to do. Are you okay? Good. Yeah, I thought she was about to try to go potty.
She's settling down.
Nope, there she goes, gating off. See, told you, man. Wasabi's really nice.
Are you
One
playing by
of the
yourself?
ways that I know that Wasabi is really nice is by her movement. But I like her head. She has a shorter muzzle. A lot of my dogs can have longer muzzles.
You know what your dad does when he clocks it?
Yeah. There she is. There she comes. Look at that gating. Look at that. Nice. What are you doing? Yeah, she's nice. Wasabi is nice. I like her. Here we go. Yeah. Hello. Hello, Zella. Hello, Zella. Hello. 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 Hello.
She reminds me of her mom a lot.
Yeah.
Hello. Come here, Senza. Good girl. Come here. Where's the love at? Hmm? No love? No love in the house from Senza. Where's the love? Good girl. Yes. No more love? You're just gonna act scared? Okay. That's fine. Go on now.
So yeah, so this is what she was playing with. Let's see if I can get her to play with it again.
Which is technically a bird.
Mm-hmm.
Perch
Look, watch.
thing.
Oh. See, look at that. There was some good structure there we just got to see. Oh, Wasabi won. She got it.
I think she thinks that if she shakes it enough times, it just means she wins.
Look, there she goes. Gating off. Pretty girl. Good girl, Zella. Good girl, Zella. Good girl. You get it, girl.
She's like, oh, the toy went home.
She's like, I like this one.
Hey, what y'all doing?
So I don't have to worry about them because I have my whole entire living room gated off.
They do go
You
behind
can
them.
see here. See how it's all gated back there?
Wasabi, what are you doing? Really? Come here,
But
baby.
yeah, I wanted to do an evaluation of these guys. And then their owners are
Yeah.
gonna pick them up this weekend.
Gotcha.
Normally they would get picked up from Morgan's house, but oh my goodness. But
Ready? Get steady.
But they had a family emergency this weekend, so. But it's okay.
She's just so crazy about it all.
Mm-hmm. And do say a prayer for, if you pray or good vibes for their family, because Reese's uncle is in the hospital, and they're not, I haven't gotten an update, but it didn't sound good. It was another one of those, what seemed like a perfectly healthy person just dropped over and fell. And so I think they had to induce coma, and I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but I don't think that last time I heard that it sounded very good, so just any positive thoughts and prayers is appreciated.
She just laid on her. Who's back there? Is that Wasabi back there?
Uh-huh, I think so.
Wasabi!
Oh. I hope she's not. What are you doing, Wasabi? Funny girl. Wasabi! No, you weirdo. What are you doing? She's over here playing with my cat tree. Wasabi! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, you bad dog? What are you doing, you bad dog? You better go play. Yeah, we've got to be up early because they're leaving early in the morning. Except for my girl, of course. Oh gosh, that sucks I didn't get that movement on video just then. She moved so beautifully. So mature for her age.
Come here. What are you doing? Yeah, most puppies just hop around.
Yeah, they just gallop around, and she gates.
Oh, gotcha! I got you, Picasso. You're so sweet. You're so cute. Look at Picasso over here. She's just so cute. You're so cute. I can love you so much. What's that over there? Ready? Uno, dos. Whee! Oh, don't bite my fingers. Grab. Oh, there goes my phone. Oh, don't take my phone. No. No. Not my phone. Oh, God. She's grabbing the case of the phone. Stop. Stop. Hey. Punk. She said, don't touch me. Hey.
Picasso.
That wasn't Picasso.
No, Picasso's looking too, but it is Wasabi, yeah.
Hey. No. No. No.
Wasabi. Look at her. She ready to fight. Look at her. She ready to fight. Wasabi. I also love her confidence. All in all, I really like her.
No.
What you doing, Wasabi? What you doing, little girl? What you doing, Wasabi? Come here. Get over here. Give me kisses. Oh, don't be mad. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. Mm. There you go. There's gating. See? She's a little troublemaker. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, you can't go that way. I can't see you. No. No, you go. Nope. Nope, you go. You want to fight? She will try to fight you. Do you want to fight me? Do you want to catch these hands? Wasabi! I'll fight you. 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 Oh, she almost got me. She said, nah. Anyway, well, I'm gonna let y'all go. I hope y'all are having a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.